The Boost Lift by LPI Lift Systems. A self-propelled, drivable, and steerable pneumatic elevating work platform suitable for use in paint booths and other hazardous or industrial work environments. A single operator, zero-turn man lift for working at heights. Applications for use include paint or powder coating booths, paint processes that involve surface prep, finishing or inspection areas, paint or chemical mixing rooms, sanding or buffing zones, assembly or maintenance areas, welding or grinding stations, large-scale fabrication or manufacturing processes, or any other industrial application where working at heights is required. The Boost Lift is packed with standard features that include forklift pockets for quick transport across locations, platform-mounted trays for tools or parts, auxiliary air connection point on platform for air-powered tools, air lubrication and filtration system for long-lasting, reliable lift operation, 35-foot self-retracting air hose with up to 30 feet of operational travel, hand control levers for driving, steering, and vertical travel, zero-turn capability for agile maneuverability. Each Boost Lift has several standard safety features that include emergency stop button in platform and an emergency down button on the platform and the base of the lift, fall restraint attachment point in platform, graded step tread and safety-plated platform floor, main airline shutoff with lockout, tagout, velocity check valve on hydraulic cylinders, a self-latching entry gate, and robust design paired with quality components that continue LPI's reputation for reliable lift solutions. General specifications for the Boost Lift include 54 by 38-inch overall length and width, and 79-inch overall height, which allows the lift to fit through many standard industrial doorways. A 24-inch lowered platform height from the floor, with vertical travel up to a 10-foot raised platform height, equating up to a 16-foot total working height. The lift requires a clean, compressed air source of 40 SCFM at 90 psi. Maneuvers easily due to independent drive motors, which allows for a zero-turn drive system. A maximum operator weight of 300 pounds and a total weight of 1,000 pounds. This air-powered, non-electric drivable lift is perfect for hazardous environments where combustible dusts or vapors may be present. There are several options available for the Boost Lift. These options include a front-mounted platform tool or supply tray, a base-mounted tray for larger parts or supplies, a paint pot carrier kit that will hold up to a 3-gallon paint pot with hose management supports, a wide wheel kit for graded booth floors, an auxiliary air regulator with gauge for platform air tools, platform-mounted paint gun hook, a 360-degree swivel air connection kit, safety air auto shutoff valve, a self-retracting static discharge grounding reel. Speak to one of our sales team members to learn more about what options would work best in your application. To learn more about the Boost Lift or to get pricing and availability, reach out to one of our sales team members. They would be happy to help you improve worker safety and productivity in the workplace. Visit our website and explore more standard and custom solutions that could fit your application.